What's up, guys? Make this video of my survival kit. First thing, a stick. It'll probably break very easily, but it'll help. And another thing is this emergency kit. It has a flashlight in it, all kinds of cool stuff. A book bag with a flashlight. Something to play on, get bored or something. This, I don't know if it's too good of a use, but look, hang on, guys. It's something I call Mustang. 20 gauge, shoots one bullet at a time. Yeah, now it will be my survival kit. You know, this little survival kit, guys, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.